Have you been trying to create a new Gmail account but can't find the create account option? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to solve this problem quickly and easily. Now let's get started. First, open Gmail in a private or incognito window. This helps avoid any cached data or cookies that might be causing the problem. To do this, open your browser and select New Incognito Mode or New Private Window from the menu. Now, go to the Gmail sign-in page by typing mail.google.com and hit enter. On the sign-in page, you should see now the create account option. And that's all there is to it on how to find or learn how to solve the issue of the create account option not being available on Gmail. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.